Thank you and welcome for my migrants, especially in the Gulf. After a long gap of around 4 months, the experience of jail as a trade union activist, there was some wonderful experiences which I want to share for the future people, especially the expats, how they can come up without much harm from the Gulf jails. As a thumb rule, I thought of taking this Bahrain jail experience to share to with everybody. But before that, an urgent matter came. That is why today I am coming. So this COVID-19, especially with the ILO, today there was a web meeting with the Coca-Cola chairman, Mr. Brenkild, and ILO Director General Gay Ryder, with some eminent people. The forced labor was the agenda for the 1 hour meeting. It was very nice. It is need of the hour. They have spotted out. Now what is happening in the Gulf region? This COVID-19, they are taking an opportunity to fire out their employees, especially who were working for 20 years, 30 years in their establishment. And they are blaming the migrants are responsible for the COVID, which is not at all correct. Because if the migrants are accrued in a labor camp, who is responsible? The sponsors are responsible, or the government authorities, which they were not taking enough initiative to do the inspection. So crowding is the most vulnerable thing in the COVID-19 or Corona. So, and they are very much eager in disposing them to their country. That is also not fair, because these people were giving their blood and their sweat for your country, for your well-being, on a peanut salary. So when something happened, how can you throw it away like the waste fish, the migrants back to their country? You should change your attitude. Even the government should have to think of giving sizable salary in this time of the need, because they served your country and your people without much hue and cry, even without a strike or anything. The lack of trade union is the best thing. The sponsors are taking the advantage. Even today, I was glad and I reminded this thing to Ryder. Gay Ryder taken it very seriously. Eradication of the forced labor, because the sponsorship itself is a forced thing, because once the automatically after 2 years, if the sponsor is not renewing the sponsorship, this innocent migrant becoming illegal, and they are taking him to the courts, sending immediately deporting with a blacklisting, which they can't come back for 3 years. These kinds of advantages are not good for a healthy relation of, especially in the Gulf area. Please take this matter very seriously. On the trade union background, I am telling, within a short span of time, globally the trade union activism will be there. Lack of legal literacy, the Gulf sponsors are exploiting from the innocent migrants. Please stop it and hold them with you, because they hold you, they respected you, they loved you, they believed you with their culture, Asian culture. So especially the Middle East people and the Westerners, don't kick them as punctured tire. You rectify and keep with them. And another thing, if all the migrants who is having corona coming to their home country, they will also be panicked. So they don't disperse them back. Corona coming to them is of your inability keeping them the standard norms of the corona. Thank you very much. It is not a criticizing, it is a healthy outlook which you should have to see through. Thambi Nagarjuna signing off. Thank you very much.